Hey guys, Austin EV Only here. Today we've got a bubble screen on an 85D. You can see here at the bottom, the seal has broken and the jelly has leaked out. So we're gonna pull out this trim piece. Remember that this is all one piece, and do it together, and we'll show you the process. My name's Kevin, I'm the owner of Austin EV Only. If you're new to the channel, we do repairs on all models of Tesla and the Chevy Volt, Fiat 500 electric, and the list is growing every day. If you're new here, we'd love it if you'd subscribe. It'd mean a lot to us and help others find our channel. All right, first thing we're gonna do is take off this trim panel here, right here, so I think we can start prying it. I might grab my pry tools. So under here, there's one single screw. We want to take that out first. It is a T20 Torx bit to take that out. Already loosened this up, so now we're going to pull this straight towards the driver. There we go. Pull that away and put it someplace delicate. So there's a number of screws behind this piece here, and there's a number of them behind here. So let me take this panel off first. And then there's our other ones. Come in nice and tight here. So it turns out these bits are also T20. It's hard to see, but because they're black, but we'll get in here, we'll get these four. After all that, we'll be able to pull this piece out here. Let's just start with the easy one. I'm going to get started taking some of these ones up here out. Checking the bottom. Okay, I can already see there's some of the jelly that I was talking about. I can see it right in this crevice here. This one's gonna be the biggest challenge, I can already tell. So in the past when I've done this, I put an air bladder in here and lift the whole thing up. There was just these clips on there that were holding it in. Should be the same on the other side. I think we're gonna have to get it out, but maybe not. Oh, nice. All right. Gonna undo the clips on the back.
Much later.
So I know you couldn't see when I was doing it, so there's a flap here, right? And so to get it to go down, we had to push it back like so. There's a little release there, and then it flips up. So that's how that one gets undone. And then this one, there's a little guy on the bottom here. I had to use a very small screwdriver. I was trying to get at it with my thumb, and I just couldn't get at it. And so using like a little screwdriver to push it in helped me there. Okay, so I'm just gonna take out these two screws here. They're T10s, these ones, and remove the back panel, and then we'll start taking the screen out after that. All right, there we go. Cool, I can see that goes in right there. So we'll undo, I'll turn around so you can see. So we'll undo this clip here, pull this piece out. There we go. There we go. Okay. And then now I can get to that one. It's right there. All right, putting this in. Over. Here, I want to use this electrostatic bag. Perfect use for this. Okay. And then I can see, is it still T10? Perfect. It went all the way through on that last one. Okay, so check this out. That's not supposed to be like that. That is that is all of the nasty. Oh my God. This is where the paper towels are gonna come into play. We're gonna need to clean all of this out of here. This is all of this jelly that leaked from the screen. We need to throw that out. I don't even want to touch it. So cool. Okay, we started out with some rubbing alcohol diluted in water. Then we bumped up to some Goo Gone, and now finally we're using gasoline to try to get all of this jelly off of the panel here. And it seems like gasoline is having the most effect for pound for pound, dollar for dollar. Okay, so we've got our new screen here from Real Deal EV. We need to switch over this ribbon cable to the new one, so I'm gonna slide that in there. And then push down on this connector here to lock it in. Okay, looks like it's locked in, and then I just need to feed them through the casing here. So first the top one, feed that through, and then the bottom one here, feed that through. Great, and it's color coded, so I need a single green screw right there. And then just remember, these are all gonna be T10, Torx 10 bits that go in here. So we'll start with this one. Okay, so now we're gonna start screwing these down. Again, they're T10s. Don't forget to do this one first before putting the ribbon cables in. That guy. There we go. Now I want to do the ribbon cables in reverse order. One. There we go. Took a little bit, but we got it. Okay, and now we can do the rest of these yellow T10s. Great, and there's a screen protector on here. I'm gonna leave this on until we get it all the way in, and then just remember to peel it off once it's done. All right, and we'll hook these up in reverse order. So let's go ahead and plug these back in now. Okay, great, now we're just gonna do all the screws. Okay, and now we're just gonna button it back up. We've got 2 screws here, 1 over here, 2 up here, 4 around the bezel. So that's all of them.
And bada bing, bada boom, that's a working screen. I want to give a shout out to my friends at Real Deal EV. They're the people that I turn to when I need help. They've been great. I really suggest you check out their store. There's a link in my description for a discount to get these screens at their store. Please check them out. Please help them out. And let me ask you, if you've come this far, would you please hit that like button? I mean, you've come this whole way. You might as well. If you liked this video, if you want to see more videos, please subscribe, hit that bell notification, and we'll have more videos coming to you shortly. Until next time, this is Austin EV Only.